Yeah, can I get a number 1 with a medium coffee with 2 cream and 2 sugars?
Anything else?
That's it.
Did you go fishing with your
Yeah, it was good.
Oh, you did go? Wow.
Yeah, I really did. I was 2 mornings where I was up at 4 o'clock and asleep at like 1 a.m. It was a little rough, but you know, Archie, don't scare the fish, please.
Ta-da!
This is a nice river. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was from Google Maps.
Yeah, this is, from what I remember, this is a lot of water.
Yeah.
This creek. Okay, let's get you going.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so just kind of by that tree type thing.
We'll start on the right-hand side of the scene.
Okay.
So slower step next to us, and then we'll eventually get closer.
Like right there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, I thought that went underwater. I lost it.
Oh, that was a good cast right there.
Oh, it's on the bank.
Pull a little bit.
There it is.
Good, right there. There's a good drift. Okay. Okay, you let that drift. If it lands, in this water, even if it's not a great cast, and it's a good water, let it drift because the fish still might eat it. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Good drift. All right, in that same spot again. Oh, nice. See, scoot a little bit further towards the bank just so you can get a little bit further out. And a little bit further to the right. There you go. Right there. Oh, nice drift. And keep your line up off the water if you can. I know your arm's going to get tired. The casting's actually decent right now. You're getting the fly out there. Okay.
On the other side of these rocks?
Let's try. We'll first try kind of the right. You see this riffle right here?
Yeah.
We'll try kind of the right side of it. So
okay, over the rocks?
Shallow stuff. Yeah, kind of over these rocks. And then we might have to get in the water to hit
That's fine.
the other side. Oh, great cast.
I'll watch my back.
Oh yeah!
No! I think it was really tiny.
Yeah, it was a small fish. Nice. Let that drift.
Oh, he went up to it.
Oh, he did? Oh,
yeah, I saw it shimmer like this.
Nice. Yeah, sit. Nice. Okay, I've got the net. Good job. Yeah, go. Give me a smaller caddis with the trick. Nice.
Sweet.
Pull him up. I'll net him.
I don't really know how to fight with the Tenkara rod.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Don't spit it.
You're good, Brian. Yeah, you're good. I'll net him.
Got him here. Woo!
Nice job. Well done.
Damn. Wow.
Nice. That's a brown.
It's a little brown trout?
Yep. So let's get the fly out of him. If I can sit that down, if I can get you to hold the net, I'll get the fly up. Just hold it. Yep, hold it by the handle. And so also, anytime you're going to pick up a trout like this, wet your hands because it doesn't get the slime off them.
Okay.
All right, we'll get some photos. What? What, they was going to catch a fish?
Yeah. No, I never catch fish when I'm with her, actually.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
I love stings.
Yeah.
I got the plug.
Wow, that is gorgeous.
Okay, we'll have to change wire. That's okay. Hold on. Perfect.
Sweet. Thank you guys for putting me on some fish.
No problem. I think that's the first of.
Good job, Archie.
Yeah, dude.
I hope that's the first of many.
I hope that is the first of very many today.
Oh my god, a fish!
Oh, that was awesome.
Okay, we gotta put float on that, and we'll see. It might still float and work.
Okay. You want me to cast it a couple times?
No,
Oh.
I've got. So I'll show you. So once the fly is sufficiently wet, or usually almost always after a fish takes it,
Okay.
you got to put this dry shake on it.
Okay.
And so that lead floating is before the fly is wet. You put that on basically before you fish it. But and so this stuff you put it in. You put it on after it's been too wet or in the fish's mouth. And just FYI, when you get this stuff, when you put it in, do not shut this down all the way because it'll damage the tippet. So just shut it with your hand, shake it.
Now it's blue.
Now it should dry and hopefully we'll see. The fly got kind of up with that fish. It was deep in his mouth. And we'll just get some of the float. You'll see some of the floating comes off when you go in the water. You kind of don't want that if you can. Yeah. Okay, no, it's still floating.
Awesome.
Let's try it.
Alrighty, so we got on with 2. What's the fly called, Gus?
It's a stimulator. A lot of people call it stimmy.
Elk caddis.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was a stimmy. No, an elk hair caddis.
Elk hair cactus?
Yeah, caddis.
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 Okay.
Sorry, Ben. I
Well,
didn't mean to get that wrong. I know.
hopefully many more to come. It's just getting started. Been about 30 minutes. Almost done.
Basically get far right inside the shoes, like bubbles.
Okay.
That's what Oh, there you go. That's,
I don't think I'm setting the
yeah,
hook.
yeah, you got to
Oh.
set harder than that. Or fat, yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna rip it out of their mouth if I do that.
Oh, there, that's straight. Oh. Oh, there, that's straight.
Ah.
Perfect. Oh my God, great.
There was 2 fish in there. They both went for it.
Before you go, hit the right hand side of this.
This right here?
Right here. No, not close, not super close to this, but where those bubbles are going.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get a neck in there. Yeah. Line up. Okay, slowly. There you go. Nice.
Yeah.
Great.
Woo, what a fight. All right. I'm gonna walk him over to you, Gus.
Yeah. Oh, no, you're good. You bring your rod tip up high.
Woo!
Nice.
Oh, what a beauty. Let me try unhooking it so I get some practice for when y'all are gone. I think I got it on the GoPro. Alrighty. Nice little fish.
Yeah.
Nice brown trout. Alright, let's let him go. Alrighty. Here you go, little guy. Thank you very much. Alrighty.
Sweet. Good job.
That is amazing.
Good set.
Man, that is something else. Catching.
When they hit the dry, it's really fun.
Yeah, that is. Words just can't. I don't know how to describe it. What a experience. Catching little fish in like Colorado mountains.
Then I got a stonefly on my hand here. Little brownish looking one.
Well, ours is yellow, so.
Yeah, this one doesn't look yellow.
I've been able to catch one yet.
He's crawling on my arm, Ben.
I mean, okay, well, what do you want me to tell me more about this stonefly?
He's brown. He's much smaller than the one we're throwing. He looks nothing like the fly.
Well, hey, they liked this one. Man, I really just don't think I can afford to like fly fishing. I got a lot of other things I'm doing. so Benny put us on some fish today down here in this nice little valley. And yeah, I think we had 6 or 7 brown trout. And were they all brown or did we have one rainbow?
I got one little.
You had one cutthroat?
Cutbow.
Cutbow.
It's a mix between a cutthroat trout and a rainbow.
Okay, mix between a cutthroat and a rainbow trout, a cutbow. Alrighty. Well, it was gorgeous out here. And
It's a good day. We found our keys. We found our keys at the end.
found our keys. That's the most important part, right? Dude, I
Probably is the most important part. Honestly.
I meant to bring our spare set of keys because since we bought her car new, we have a spare set of keys, and I very much forgot that in Houston. But we are gonna head out. It looks like there's a storm coming. One of those afternoon storms here in the Rockies. Something they're notorious for, and it's gonna dump on us pretty soon. So we're gonna get out of here, go back, grab dinner, grab our raft for our float tomorrow. Alrighty.